The Legend of Zorro is a 1998 American action-adventure film directed by Martin Campbell, and it serves as a sequel to the 1998 film, The Mask of Zorro. The film continues the adventures of the swashbuckling hero, Zorro, who is portrayed by Antonio Banderas. Catherine Zeta-Jones returns as Elena, Zorro's love interest, and the film introduces a new generation of heroes with their young son, Joaquin. Set in the early 19th century, the film picks up several years after the events of the first movie. Alejandro de la Vega, Antonio Banderas, who assumed the mantle of Zorro after his mentor, Don Diego de la Vega, Anthony Hopkins, retired, is now struggling with the demands of fatherhood and the challenges of maintaining his secret identity. Alejandro's dual life as a devoted father and the masked vigilante creates tension within his family, particularly with Elena, who is frustrated with Alejandro's constant absences and dangerous escapades. The plot of The Legend of Zorro revolves around Alejandro's efforts to thwart a nefarious conspiracy that threatens California's future. The villain of the story, Count Armand, Rufus Sewell, is a French aristocrat who plots to control California through a corrupt deal with the local government. He plans to use a sophisticated weapon to terrorize and manipulate the people, aiming to bring about a regime change that benefits his interests. Alejandro's challenge in the film is not only to combat Count Armand's schemes but also to reconcile with his family and balance his responsibilities as both a father and Zorro. This personal struggle adds depth to Alejandro's character and explores themes of duty, sacrifice, and redemption. His relationship with his son, Joaquin, becomes central to the story, emphasizing the generational dynamics and the passing of the Zorro legacy. The film combines action, romance, and humor, continuing the swashbuckling tradition established in The Mask of Zorro. The choreography of the sword fights is a highlight, with Antonio Banderas showcasing his agility and charisma in the role of Zorro. The film also maintains a playful tone, with witty dialogue and humorous moments that contribute to its entertaining appeal. Visually, The Legend of Zorro presents a colorful and dynamic depiction of 19th-century California, with elaborate costumes and set designs that enhance the historical atmosphere. The film's action sequences are complemented by a rousing musical score that underscores the dramatic and adventurous elements of the story. In summary, The Legend of Zorro builds on the success of its predecessor by blending action-packed adventure with familial and romantic subplots. It explores the complexities of maintaining a secret identity while fulfilling personal responsibilities, offering a rich and engaging narrative that continues the iconic legacy of Zorro. The film stands out for its entertaining blend of swordplay, humor, and heartfelt moments, making it a memorable addition to the Zorro franchise.